8th Standard English 4.1 The Weight Warming of Workshop. Warming up. Question number 1. Doctors who do special advanced study of specific parts of body have a special terms. In your group, try to match the specialist doctors with who or what they treat. Answers: dentist, teeth; cardiologist, heart; ophthalmologist, eyes; orthopedic, bone; pediatrician, small kids; neurologist, brain; veterinarian, animal or birds. Question number 2. Discuss in your group and write down the most important reason why pediatrician and veterinarians have a tougher job to diagnose their patient illness. Answer: the pediatrician and veterinarians have a tougher job to diagnose their patient mainly because they cannot speak and tell anything about their illness. The doctors have to keenly observe the changes in their behavioral patterns, handle them with a great care, and examine them with a great difficulties. English workshop. Question number 1. Write down the rhyme scheme of stanzas 1 and 3 and the last 1 to 3 and last 2 stanzas. How does it differ in the remaining stanzas 4 to 7? Answer: the rhyme scheme of first to third and last 2 stanzas are A, B, A, B, and remaining stanzas 4 to 7 are A, A, B, C, C, B. Stanzas 1 to 3 only 4 lines, whereas in 4 to 7 has 6 lines. Question number 2. Write any 5 lists of the animals in the poem that you find most amusing and laughable. Answers: first, if the lions caught a cold. Second, if the Arctic fox is suffering from heat. If hyenas will not laugh at keeper's jokes. Fourth, if the panther has a wife who keeps his ears. Fifth, if the monkeys pinched his tail. Question number 3a. Out of all names of birds and animals given in the poem, pick out 4 names that are similar in English as well as in Hindi or Marathi on your mother tongue. Answers: zebra, chimpanzee, kangaroo, giraffe. Question number 4b. Translate the names of zoo animals given in the poem into your mother tongue. Answer: first, lion, सिंह; cat, मांजर; hippo, पानी घोड़ा; bison, रानगवा; fox, कोल्हा; bear, aswal, tortoise, castle, monkey, makad. Question number 4. Think deeply and write. Is the poet really discouraging the youth from becoming weights? Explain your response. Answer. The poet absolutely has no intention to discourage youth from becoming a weight. On the contrary, he wants to bring to their notice that the weight's work is very important for the animal who cannot express anything about their illness. He wants to suggest that weight's profession is noble and is more important than man's doctor. He also underlines the hard work it involves. Question number 5. Find out from a weight or from a website what precautions does a weight have to take when he or she is called to treat wild, dangerous animals. Make point-wise notes of the same. Answers. Precautions to be taken by a vet when he is called to treat wild, dangerous animals. First, restrain the animal properly. Second, get help from strong men before treatment or examination. Third, wear personal protective equipment. Fourth, stay alert at all times. Thanks for watching video. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.